Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a custom Discord invite link for your server. All right, let's begin. First, open Discord and go to your server. You need access to settings, so make sure you have appropriate permissions. Next, click your server name at the top left. From the dropdown, select Server Settings. Then, in the left-hand menu of Server Settings, click Invite People to open the Invite section. Now click Create Instant Invite. By default, Discord generates a random invite link, but we're going to customize it. Click Edit Invite Link. Here you can adjust expiration time, usage limits, and even set a custom URL. To make the link never expire, set the expiration option to Never. You can also set a maximum number of uses, like 10, 50, or unlimited, if you want to control access. After customizing, click Generate Link. Discord will create your invite based on the settings you chose. Finally, click Copy to save the link to your clipboard. You can now share it with friends, community members, or post it wherever you like. So, that's basically how you can create a custom Discord invite link for your server. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.